Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes, and thank you so much for watching my channel. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe as I post often. I'm at Sandos Playacar, so follow along and let's see what we see today. I am going to be viewing Sandos Playacar for a couple of hours today. And this is the lobby, enclosed, air conditioned. And if it's hot and humid, it is so nice to be in a resort that has an air-conditioned lobby. Check-in desk. The chairs are really unique. This is the lobby bar. So this is a selection of the alcohol in the lobby bar. So there's Malibu, Smirnoff, tequila, Jim Beam I see, so I'm sure you'll find something that you like. And if you need to buy some sunscreen, a new t-shirt, they do have a shop in the lobby called Pier 27. This resort does have elevators. And guess what? I'm going to be escorted around the resort in this ride in style. This is a pathway to the haciendas. Life is wonderful. Enjoy it. Okay, we're viewing 7201 and this is Hacienda.
Yes, these categories, we have two different rooms. Okay, one bedroom is the most big, and the is smaller is superior Hacienda.
Okay.
This is the one bedroom.
Oh, this is the one bedroom.
Okay. One bedroom is.
Oh, this is beautiful.
With another room. It's two rooms.
Can anybody sleep on these sofas?
Yes.
Okay, they're not it's not a pull-out. It's just.
It's sofa beds. I think. Oh no, this is.
No, it's just.
It's sofa bed.
Okay.
This kids is good for the kids, and this is their room for the couple.
This would be great for room service. And this is the bedroom. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. That's an oversized king-size bed. That's a large king. Wow. And there's a little swan made out of towels. And another sofa. And plug-ins for your devices.
And the bathroom.
Double sinks, a jacuzzi tub, and this is the shower. Robes and closet. And there is water and a coffee station. And the mini fridge is stocked daily. And this room does have 2 bathrooms. That is amazing. It's great if you have kids. This one-bedroom hacienda is very impressive. You would be very comfortable here. And you walk right out of your room and have a pool that you do share with 8 other suites, or 7 other suites, I should say. This is room 7202 and a hacienda but smaller, and this resort is smoke-free, although there are some designated areas.
Okay. This category can request with 1 king bed or 2 double beds.
Okay, and this is a true double bed. It would be a challenge to accommodate 2 adults, but 2 kids could definitely share one bed. And
1 sofa bed.
Alarm clock, phone, and an area for one more person to sleep, water station, coffee station.
The vacation club. There's nothing inside.
And again, you walk out into that pool. This is lovely. Bathroom, no tub, but there is a shower. And 2 sinks. And a makeup mirror. And a hairdryer. This area is strictly made up of Hacienda suites. Beautiful pathways. So anybody that books a Hacienda suite, you will be within this area. So we're looking at another building of Hacienda suites, and each one of them is a group of 8, and they each have their own pool. Now this is welcome to Catland. Apparently this is where a lot of cats call home. This is rather cute. Now that's a cat home. Is that not the cutest? And this is another Hacienda pod, and again with a private pool and a jacuzzi. I'm walking towards the family area, and this is the pool for families. It's really big. This is a map of Sandos, and there's plenty of them around the resort, so if ever you're wondering where you're going, you just have to refer to the map.
Okay, in this, when the couple or the people come in, just scan this and I will show you.
And then it'll bring up the itinerary. Oh, okay,
This
there's
is
the
the
map.
map.
Oh, excellent. This resort has bikes for your use. You can ride around in the resort, and you can also take it out on the street, and it's free. And look at, they even have little baby seats. I think this is fabulous. This is part of the spa, and any treatment that you have here, including this area, is at an extra charge. And if you'd like to enjoy some tennis, they have 2 courts here. You can wait here for your shuttle, and it comes by every 15 minutes, so you don't feel compelled to walk in the heat. A shuttle will take you to the beach. This is the adult-only section. Some people joining in on weddings that may not have children would prefer an area that is child-free, just for adults. This is beautiful. And those rooms we're looking at are the adult-only rooms. If you'd like to have a beach massage, this is where it would take place. And you are facing the ocean. How lovely. Hola! And this is a selection of alcohol at the beach bar. Beefeater, Smirnoff, Malibu rum, tequila, Canadian Club. Lots to choose from.
martinis,
Ah,
Fernet, Queens, mint, peppermint, digestic, brandy, sambuca, anise.
excelente.
Eh,
We're going to have a look at room
Let me-
223, Select Superior Adult Only. This is the adult only ocean front. And this is a massive king bed. This is larger than most king beds, I think. Your mini bar is stocked daily. There's a coffee station and water, television. And this is a view of the ocean and a room with the terrace. In other words, it's not a balcony, it's a terrace. This is a lovely room. Closets and your bathroom, makeup mirror and hair dryer, and shower.
Information for the whole resort, like the shows every day, the different restaurants they open and close, the old information for the whole
So
resort.
clients just have to
Yes.
scan the app on their phone.
Yes.
Excellent. Then they're in touch with everything that's happening at the resort. That's a cool thing. Native Plants Nursery. Let's have a quick peek and see what this is all about. This would be interesting for kids. If ever you have to take your kids out of school for a vacation, ask the teacher if your children can do a paper on my visit to Mexico. These kinds of things would be interesting for kids to know and learn and share with their classmates. Ancient Mayan ruins. That's a peacock. This is the kids club. Ages 3 to or 4 to 12, I would imagine.
4 to 10.
4 to
years.
10, okay.
Yes. And it's open at 10 and closed at 8 o'clock.
There's a little pool for the kids, a slide, and maximum amount of time a child can stay here during the day is 4 hours. And they have mini golf. And is there a charge for this? Or this is part of?
It's no extra charge, it's included.
Oh,
Just you need requests in the meeting point with the guest service, the all things, the balls and the
Clubs.
Yes.
excellent. Great thing for parents to do with their children. This is the theater and a list of shows that happens every night. So you can find out the shows that you would like to attend. Oh, Michael Jackson, ABBA tribute, cool. And this is the theater.
Inside.
Massive theater. We are now entering into the family area. This is beachfront, but look at the water park. My goodness.
Okay. This is the smaller upper park.
This is an area that everyone at Sandos can enjoy. And look at the water park. That is incredible. Swim up bar. My goodness. This is a snack bar. Clearly the staff is used to paparazzi.
The time for the ocean snack. 12 to 5 is open for everybody. Okay? In the morning, 7 to 11 is exclusive for member Royal Elite. And right now, it's open 7 to 10, Le Gourmet in this section.
Excellent.
Thanks.
Excellent. Gracias.
You're welcome.
Now look what you can enjoy at Sandos Playacar. It's not just for kids, adults are having a good time, but oh my goodness. This is incredible. This could be your resort for your next vacation, destination wedding, family get-together. Amazing.
Hola, come to Playacar. See you soon.
You heard it. You heard it. That's the shuttle bus that takes you all across this resort. This resort is very large, so walking is an option, but you may want to take the shuttle bus. This resort is very pretty. Lots of water features. It's interesting. I like that. And this is a water park in the family section. We're going to have a look at a family room, 9383. What a great family room. So clearly it will sleep 3 children. Yes. Mom and Dad get a king-size bed. And what child doesn't like a bunk bed?
Is double side.
Double-sized bed,
And single side.
This is really great for families.
And it's close.
Closets, safe, and a bathtub for kids, jacuzzi, double sinks, hair dryer, makeup mirror, toilet, and a shower. This is one of the few resorts that will accommodate 3 children. So if that's what you have in your family, this should be the resort that you would love to book and get to enjoy the water park.
Over there is the same.
Well stocked. Fridge with some beer and pop.
This is Riviera Family King.
Okay.
But the other category is Queen.
Okay.
Have 2 double beds with queen size.
Yes.
That's it.
No bunks.
No bunks.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
And how many rooms do we have here,
We
Alma?
have 819 rooms in Sandos Playacar, so you have to come here and visit us.
Yes,
okay?
and the 890 rooms are spread
Yeah.
across acres and acres and acres.
Yes.
I've been to every inch of this resort. I've been to the water park. You work in a very beautiful resort.
Thank you, it's amazing.
It is amazing. Hey everyone, it's Travel with Susan at Escapes, and thank you for following along. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe as I post often. I have just spent 3 hours at Sandos Playacar. Did I like this resort? No, I loved it. It is absolutely sensational. Water parks, great beach, lots of wonderful rooms and family rooms that accommodate 3 children with bunk beds. So if you're thinking of coming to Playa del Carmen, be sure to consider Sandos Playacar. See ya.